The tiny seed with a mighty impact. GCC's Chia revolution is here, but can it sustain the hype? Forget fad diets and fleeting trends. The GCC is witnessing a genuine nutritional shift towards plant-based powerhouses, and chia seeds are leading the charge. This tiny superfood, packed with omega-3s, fiber, protein, and antioxidants, is no longer a niche ingredient but a staple in the region's evolving dietary landscape. But here's where it gets controversial. While chia's health benefits are undeniable, its reliance on imports and limited rural awareness raise questions about its long-term sustainability and accessibility for all. Driven by a surge in health consciousness and a growing appetite for natural, plant-based solutions, the GCC chia seed market is projected to skyrocket from $30 million in 2024 to a staggering $180 million by 2033, boasting a CAGR of 20.6%. This explosive growth is fueled by several key factors. Superfood fever. Health-conscious consumers across the GCC are increasingly incorporating chia seeds into their diets, drawn to their impressive nutritional profile. Think fiber for digestion, omega-3s for heart health, and antioxidants for overall well-being. Urban dwellers, in particular, are embracing chia as a versatile ingredient in smoothies, yogurts, baked goods, and even as an egg substitute in plant-based recipes. Functional food boom. The GCC's burgeoning functional food and beverage industry is a major player in chia's rise. Companies are innovating with chia-infused cereals, energy bars, juices, and dairy alternatives, catering to a younger, health-conscious demographic with a taste for convenience and nutrition. Take Benexia, for example, which recently launched encapsulated chia oil, showcasing the industry's drive to explore new applications beyond the traditional seed form. Government backing. Governments across the GCC are actively promoting healthy lifestyles and organic agriculture. Initiatives targeting lifestyle diseases like obesity and diabetes, coupled with public education campaigns, are encouraging the adoption of chia seeds as a healthy dietary choice. Subsidies and support for organic imports further boost the market, particularly in Saudi Arabia and the UAE, where chia cultivation is even being explored locally. And this is the part most people miss. While the future looks bright for chia in the GCC, challenges remain. Import dependence and price volatility. The GCC's reliance on chia seed imports from South and Central America leaves the market vulnerable to price fluctuations, currency exchange rates, and supply chain disruptions. This uncertainty can deter smaller retailers and manufacturers from fully embracing chia-based products. Rural awareness gap. While urban centers like Riyadh, Dubai, and Doha are chia hotspots, awareness in rural areas remains low. Traditional dietary habits and a lack of localized educational campaigns hinder wider market penetration. Country spotlight. Saudi Arabia, leading the pack. Saudi Arabia boasts a large population, a growing middle class, and a strong focus on health and wellness under Vision 2030. Chia seeds are readily available in health-conscious retail chains and are increasingly incorporated into everyday meals. UAE, a hub for premium health foods, the UAE sees chia seeds prominently featured in supermarkets, health food stores, and online platforms. Dubai and Abu Dhabi, in particular, have embraced chia in restaurant and cafe menus, reflecting the country's cosmopolitan and health-conscious lifestyle. Kuwait, Qatar, and beyond, these markets are experiencing steady growth, driven by rising health awareness, gym memberships, and a growing preference for plant-based diets. While smaller than Saudi Arabia and the UAE, these markets hold significant potential for future expansion through product diversification and targeted marketing. The chia conundrum: sustainable superfood or passing fad? The GCC chia seed market is undeniably on the rise, fueled by health trends, government support, and industry innovation. However, the question of long-term sustainability lingers. Can the region overcome its import dependence and bridge the rural awareness gap? Will chia remain a niche ingredient for the health-conscious elite, or will it truly become a staple food accessible to all? The answers lie in continued investment in local cultivation, targeted educational campaigns, and innovative product development. One thing is certain: the tiny chia seed has sparked a revolution in the GCC, and its impact on the region's dietary landscape will be fascinating to watch. What do you think? Is the chia seed hype justified, or is it just another health trend destined to fade? Share your thoughts in the comments below.